have to be active.
The next step is think about the opportunities. Now you're thinking, why is this a step? Well, because you need to be motivated and encouraged to continue with this journey, right? So you have to think about the opportunities, but don't be selfish while doing this. So the fifth it to be more used to it. So we have some suggestions for you that will truly work. The first suggestion is keep moving and don't get stuck. For example, you're moving on with the journey, everything's easy, right? But there are going to be some toxic people in your life that don't want you to be successful. So you have to face your fears and get over them.
The second suggestion is be a good relative. When you only think about yourself and be selfish, because you're going through this period of time in your life, of course there are other people that are human. They're also going through this period of time in their life.
You don't think you've made any progress and you just want to give up. But if you think back to your roots where you started from scratch and had nothing, you're going to be more motivated and more encouraged because you know that you've made a lot of progress.
Last but not least, the last suggestion, which is find people that will support your change. When you're around a negative surrounding, around people that are toxic, around people that don't motivate you, that don't believe in you, you're going to become like them. You're going to become negative like them. You're going to be, what's wrong?
Bro, I was horrible. I am horrible. I don't deserve to live.
And you think punishing yourself for the rest of your life is going to help?
How else am I supposed to live with the guilt? It haunts me from the moment I wake up till the moment I sleep.
Instead of destroying yourself with that guilt, why don't you focus on becoming your best possible self?